The Cupertino tech giant has recently been granted a patent for a new type of housing that sounds like it could change the situation. Although Apple's iPhones are fairly resistant devices, many of us still prefer to take no chances and keep them in a case because they can still quite easily be scratched or otherwise damaged by contact with various objects and surfaces. On devices like the iPhone, iPad, and MacBooks, it specifies an abrasion-resistant rear panel that may be utilized. See our selection of the best iPhone 14 deals for Apple's current phones. As is frequently the case, the newest Apple patent granted by the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office initially doesn't seem to give away a great deal, naming Apple's Senior Director for Materials Engineering and Product Design Chris Prest as lead inventor. However, upon closer inspection, the patent, entitled simply Spatial Composites, outlines a method for producing durable housing for electronic devices. The suggested spatial composite approach entails inserting mold cavities with abrasion-resistant parts that have interlocking features. These abrasion-resistant members, which are tougher than the moldable matrix substrate, might be constructed of metal or ceramic. It is not known what type of texture or feel this would provide the gadget, but they may be designed to reflect light at an angle and spaced between 10 and 100 microns apart. Figure 2C shows a cross-section of a housing with an example embedded abrasion-resistant element, and Figure 2A of the pattern shows how the rear glass panel of an iPhone might have spatial composites with embedded abrasion-resistant members. Other drawings in the patent description show other forms and configurations of the abrasion-resistant structure and substrate surface. Figure 8 illustrates an example technique for constructing the housing. It can be difficult to decipher the surfer's intentions from patent applications. Companies frequently use this deliberate strategy to prevent competitors from learning about their plans, but they may also file patents to stop others from using their ideas even if they have no intention of putting them into practice themselves. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.